Okay, ma'am. Are you ready for the practice session?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Okay, so today we are going to have a great practice session. We have today Tazim Nazma ma'am. Ma'am, where are you from?
I'm basically from Bangalore, Karnataka. Currently, I have been living in UAE, Dubai.
You're living in Dubai. Okay, fine. So let's get started. I will be asking you sentences back to back, and you just have to translate it. You just have to speak confidently. The first sentence that I just want to know. मैं उसकी मदद नहीं कर पाया क्योंकि मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं था कि उसकी मदद कैसे करनी है.
I couldn't help him because I had no idea like how to help him.
Yeah, I had no idea how to help him. आप चाहते तो उसकी मदद कर सकते थे लेकिन आपने नहीं की. आपने जानबूझकर उसकी मदद नहीं की.
If you wanted to, you could help him, but you didn't help
आप
him.
यदि चाहते, if you wanted, you could have helped him.
You could have helped him.
हाँ. बट आपने जानबूझकर उसकी मदद नहीं की. जानबूझ के लिए कौन सा वर्ड होगा?
Purposefully,
Deliberately.
deliberately, you didn't help.
Or you can say willingly. Willingly, deliberately, knowingly तीनों यूज हो सकता है. आपने जानबूझकर उसकी मदद नहीं की. You didn't help him deliberately. आपको उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए थी क्योंकि वो परेशानी में था. In English.
You should help him.
You should have. जब भी कोई काम करना चाहिए था. Then you should have.
You should have helped him
वो परेशानी में था.
when he was in trouble.
Because he was in trouble. और you can say इसके लिए एक idiom भी बताया था मैंने. He was in hot water.
He was in trouble. He was in hot water. Okay.
Yeah, be in hot water का मतलब होता है परेशानी में होना.
Okay.
To be in hot water मतलब होता है परेशानी में होना. ठीक है? ओके, मैंने कहा आपको उसकी मदद नहीं करनी चाहिए.
I should not help him.
आपको लिखना चाहिए.
You should write.
आपको दौड़ना चाहिए.
You should run.
आप बोल सकते हो.
You can speak.
आप समझ सकते हो.
You can understand.
आप नहीं समझ सकते मैं क्या चाहता हूँ. You can't understand what I want.
You can't understand what I want.
मैं इस बुक को 2 बार पढ़ चुका हूँ.
I have read this book twice.
I have read this book twice. मुझे बुक पसंद आई.
I like this book.
ओके. क्या आप बोलना चाहते हो?
Do you want to speak?
क्या आप दौड़ना चाहते हो?
Do you want to run?
क्या आप मेरी मदद करोगे इस काम में?
Can you help me in this work?
क्या आप इस काम में मेरी मदद करोगे? Will you help me
Will you
in
help
this
me
work?
in this work?
वहाँ जाइए और उसकी मदद कीजिए.
Go there and help him.
यहाँ आइए.
Come here.
इंग्लिश सीखिए.
Learn English.
मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता हूँ.
I want to learn English.
मैं आपकी हेल्प करना चाहता हूँ.
I want to help you.
I want to help you. मैंने उसकी मदद नहीं की क्योंकि उसके पास टाइम नहीं था.
I didn't help him. I didn't help him because उसके पास.
Because उसके पास टाइम नहीं था. He had no
He didn't
time.
have time. He
ठीक
had
है.
no time.
मैं वहाँ नहीं गया क्योंकि मुझे वहाँ जाना पसंद नहीं था.
I didn't go there because I didn't like to go there.
मैं नहीं सुन पाया क्योंकि मैं बिजी था. मैं कुछ कर रहा था.
I couldn't listen because I was busy. I was doing something.
क्या मैं जान सकता हूँ आप क्या कर रहे थे जब मैं बोल रहा था?
May I know what were you doing when I called you?
May I know what you were doing when I called you? मुझे याद नहीं मैं क्या कर रहा था, बट मैं कुछ कर रहा था.
I have no idea what I was doing, but I was doing something.
I have no idea what I was doing, but I'm sure I was doing something. वहाँ मत जाइए.
Don't go there.
Sentences बनाइए.
Make sentences.
बोलना शुरू करिए.
Start speaking.
लिखना शुरू करिए.
Start writing.
Start writing. आपको लिखने की ज़रूरत है.
You need to write.
You need to write. आपको बोलने की ज़रूरत है.
You need to speak.
You need to speak. क्या आप वहाँ जाओगी?
Will you go there?
Will you go there? क्या आप इंग्लिश पढ़ाओगी?
Will you teach English?
हाँ, मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ाऊँगा.
Yes, I'll teach English.
मुझे नहीं पता वो क्या चाहता है.
I don't know what he wants.
I don't know what he wants. करो जो आप कर सकते हो.
Do what you can.
बोलो जो आप बोल सकते हो.
Speak what you can.
लिखो जो आप लिख सकते हो.
Write what you can.
लिखना आसान है.
It's easy to write.
It's easy to write. बोलना आसान है.
It's easy to speak.
दौड़ना आसान है.
Easy to run.
मैं दौड़ रहा था.
I was running.
I was running. मैं पढ़ा रहा था.
I was teaching.
मैं पढ़ाया करता था.
I used to teach.
मैं बोला करता था.
I used to speak.
बोलना आसान है.
Speaking is it's easy to speak.
It's easy to speak. वहाँ जाना आसान है.
It's easy to go there.
वहाँ मत जाओ.
Don't go there.
वहाँ जाते रहो.
Keep going there.
पढ़ाओ.
Teach.
पढ़ाना शुरू करो.
Start teaching.
Start teaching. सब कुछ आसान है.
Everything is easy.
यदि मैं वहाँ होता तो मैं उसकी मदद निश्चित ही करता.
If I were there, surely I would help him.
If I were there, यदि मैं वहाँ होता मैं निश्चित ही उसकी मदद करता. I would surely help him.
I would surely help him.
Okay, यदि मैं यहाँ आता तो मैं उसे गाइड करता.
If I come here,
If I came here,
surely I would have helped him.
यदि मैं यहाँ आता तो निश्चित ही मैं उसको गाइड करता. I would surely guide him. मैंने उसको गाइड नहीं किया, उसने अपनी मदद खुद की.
I didn't guide him.
He helped himself.
Helped himself.
Okay. So, ma'am, overall, I just want to know you are living in UAE, and for how long you have been there?
Sir, I have been living in the UAE for 5 years.
For 5 years. So, the native language, do you know? Are you able to speak the native language of there?
No, sir, I don't know.
You don't know. And what do you do long day? Do you do job somewhere?
Yes, I was doing job, but I lost my job, so I'm currently searching for a job.
Okay, fine. Earlier, where you used to do job, and what kind of job you used to do?
Previously, I worked in the bank, Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank, and is another company. Is my previous company was like Core 42. It's a IT company.
Okay. So you worked there. For how much?
Yeah.
For how long time you worked there in the bank?
So like two years, like 2 years in bank. I worked in like 2 years for bank and 2 years in IT company.
Okay. चलिए बहुत अच्छी बात है. Now, Amida ma'am, Taniz Nazma ma'am, you tried well.
Thank you, sir.
चलिए एवरीवन नाउ अब हम जो हमारे इडियम्स पढ़ रहे थे उनको आगे लेकर चल रहे हैं और मैं इंसिस्ट करूँगा सारे के सारे स्टूडेंट्स को कि आप पूरी तरह अटेंटिव हो जाएं, अपना 100% दें, चीज़ों को सुने और हम इसका दी एंड करते हैं आज.